Corsair, Vengeance. I do like the Corsair brand. AMD Ryzen 9 5900. So this is actually one where we're getting, finally we're getting like the top. We're getting the top. Number one. You've got the number one CPU in the market right now in terms of performance. You've got 32 gigabytes of RAM, or no, sorry, that's just the graphics card. You've got the number 3 graphics card, so you're not going to be getting a 3090, and this is the concession here. But if you're okay with going Radeon, you're still the number 3 GPU. You're still considered priced or powered above the 3080. You're not quite the 3090, but you're damn close. Okay, so the graphics card is still absolutely incredible on this one. And you're getting the number 1 CPU, which honestly is better anyway. I actually like this option a lot.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.